This podcast, a simple summary of a scientific peer-reviewed paper, is made with the help of AI by Big Head Pain, Dr. Faraidoon Haghdoost. Today's episode covers the paper, What is the Evolutionary Disadvantage of Migraine? By Marco Lisicki et al., published in the journal Cephalalgia in April 2025. Migraine is extremely painful, but it might have had a purpose in human evolution. This paper expands on the idea that migraine could be a dysevolutionary disorder where traits that once helped humans survive are now working against us. One key trait is hypersensitivity to sensory input, such as light, sound, or smell, which is common in people with migraine. In ancient times, this could have been an advantage. Heightened senses may have helped with detecting predators, finding food, or choosing mates. Because of these benefits, the genes linked to migraine may have stayed in the human population. But modern life is different. The same sensitivity now causes problems. Bright lights, screen exposure, loud environments, and constant stress can overwhelm the brain and lead to repeated activation of pain systems, triggering migraine attacks. In addition, more frequent menstrual cycles in modern women, compared to those in ancient populations, could partly explain why migraine is more common during menstruation today. To test if migraine is still affected by evolution, the researchers analyzed migraine rates in 38 countries and compared them to something called the Biological State Index, or IBS, a measure of how much natural selection is still active in a population. They found that in places where natural selection is weaker, migraine is more common. In contrast, where natural selection remains strong, migraine rates are lower. This suggests that migraine-associated genes may no longer offer survival advantages and could slowly be getting selected against over time. In summary, understanding migraine through the lens of evolution might help explain why it persists in some people and varies between populations, and could lead to new ways of thinking about prevention and treatment.